and let's say here this is unformatted, and you would want the data to be in this format. So easy way is to copy the formatting of this. So you just select the data, and then here we have this clone formatting. So click on it and then just paste it here. So you are able to copy the formatting and it looks the same as this one. Let's say if you want to copy the formatting of this one, then select it and then go to clone formatting and then click here, and the formatting would be copied over here as well. You can do undo or redo using this. So let's say if you would want to undo the copy formatting, then yeah, the formatting is removed, and if you want to redo it, then you can click on it and then it will be done.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.